So we're here. I was thinking, I was like, man, I haven't done these in a while, so let's bring these back for a little bit. So we're actually just kind of about to go through, we're actually doing a giveaway this Friday. We'll be doing some glow ink giveaway. We'll also, with the glow, we'll be doing a special on some hoodies, so stay on the lookout for that. We'll see what else we kind of get going into the shop. So we are going to be running a promotion. Stay on the lookout if you want some hoodies. Fall is here, and you can get that with this special. So we did the design. Roman's burning it. We're going to wash it out. We're going to run a print, record a promo, and put it out there. So this is the behind the scenes. Anything you want to say to the fans, Roman?
Is the camera even on me?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I don't think this.
Okay.
I don't like it.
DQ, the magnificent bingo player of the year.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much. A couple of signs, project signs, small sign for a company. Other than that, it's gonna be a pretty good day.
I think we're doing some stickers too. So I think Rose Coffee is going to be doing some stickers.
Awesome.
It's a skeleton coffee for the spooky season, and in his collection. Let's go see Roman as he washes out this screen. Rub it out. Got the screens ready. We're running the white underbase. There you go. How much does it glow? This is with the lights off.
That's
Alright, the lights off. Yo.
no, but there. Ready?
Ooh, there we go. Yo. That's